The Pallof press is a banded exercise where the band is anchored at 90 degrees from the direction that you're facing. The idea here is that it's an anti-rotational exercise, so you're not going to let the band twist you in. You want to be able to face straight ahead with good posture, shoulders down and away from the ears, and from this clasped position with both hands at the chest, you press straight away from your chest. So you're pressing at 90 degrees from the anchor point of that band. Now, notice I'm moving nice and slow, and I'm not allowing that band to twist me in. I'm also not overcompensating by pushing away from it. I want to keep that 90-degree press. Now, the obvious ways to increase the tension on this band is just to step out or to get a heavier band. But you can also challenge your core by taking a narrower stance. So when feet are together, I got to work for it a little bit. And you'll definitely feel that in your abs. But to start with, you want an athletic stance, slight bend in the knees, so you've got that good athletic stance as if you're about to jump straight up, but with really upright posture from there. To begin that exercise, and then over time, you can increase the resistance, increase the distance, or decrease your base of support.